Hi everyone, I'm Martha from Holtop China. Do you know how much time you spend indoors and how to estimate the indoor air quality good or bad? On average, people spend 90% of their time indoors, so clean indoor air is essential for optimum health. Sadly, many residential and commercial premises have contaminated air. VOCs, pollen, radon gas, smog, mold, fumes, and odors can all affect home air health. Indoor air pollution is a particular concern for people with chronic medical conditions, compromised immune systems, and sensitivity to mold or chemicals. Ventilation systems help prevent mold growth by exhausting excessive moisture that is created by showering, cooking, washing dishes, doing laundry, and engaging in other household activities. All molds produce allergens and irritants, and some molds also produce potentially toxic substances called mycotoxins. Although people may not concern about the exposure to mold outdoors, indoor mold growth commonly causes health problems. Immediate or delayed allergic reaction can be triggered by touching or breathing in mold or mold spores. This reaction includes sneezing, a running nose, red eyes, an asthma attack, and a weakened immune system. Although the connection between indoor air quality and health issues such as asthma, allergies, and respiratory ailments is common knowledge, the importance of indoor air quality for cognitive function is less understood. Recent workplace studies have demonstrated that indoor air quality affects the ability to concentrate, mood, and anxiety. And longer exposure can even lead to personality changes, impair memory, and slower cognitive function. The best strategy to boost air quality is to expel the contaminants and dilute airborne pollutants with the mechanical ventilation system. HRV system use filters to remove many pollutants from the air before it enters homes and commercial spaces. High MERV filters can stop even small particles, including pollen, bacteria, smoke, smog, and mold spores, from entering your home or business. HRV and ERV systems can also design to exhaust air specifically from bathrooms, kitchens, and utility rooms, where most home pollutants originate. Holtop will always be committed to delivering highly efficient and energy-saving products and solutions to improve indoor air quality, ensure people's health, and protect our Earth. Let's enjoy a healthy life with Holtop's heat recovery ventilation system.